Okay, so welcome to the YouTube channel. Again, the next topic. In the last video, we have discussed about the zero angle of contact. Now we will see the 90-degree angle of contact and the condition of convexity and concavity. है ना? So for this, actually, in the textbook, they say there is no any specific liquid solid pair shown, but यहाँ पे हम consider कर सकते हैं the combination that is solid, which is nothing but the silver and liquid as water. So silver and water will make an angle equals to 90 degree. That is 90-degree angle of contact, right? तो again हमने what we have taken is glass is nothing but मतलब which is made of silver, है ना, सिल्वर मटेरियल से बना हुआ है, राइट, विच इज शोन बाय ब्लू कलर एंड द लिक्विड दैट इज वाटर इनसाइड इट इज मेड ऑफ, it is nothing but the liquid which is in contact with the solid. So in this case again the adhesive force at the point of contact, agar at the point of contact if I draw the sphere of influence for the molecule is like this. So again similarly the adhesive force will act into this. This is AP. AP is nothing but the adhesive force. The adhesive force it is, right? And remember that in this case the cohesive force will make exactly 45-degree, sorry, this is C point, 45 degree with the free surface or solid surface, है ना, यहाँ से ये 45 degree रहेगा. This angle made is 45 degree. Obviously this angle is also 45 degree, right? So exactly 45 degree angle बनाना चाहिए, वैसा liquid हमें यहाँ पे choose करना पड़ेगा, right? With the solid, that is silver and water pair will form approximately 45 degree or exact 45 degree, right? So AP is adhesive force, then AC ये कोहेसिव फोर्स हो जाएगा. दिस इज कोहेसिव फोर्स. तो इनका रिजल्टेंट क्या है? इनका रिजल्टेंट जो है इट विल एग्जैक्टली लाई एट द एट हियर. मतलब क्या? तो यहां से एक परपेंडिकुलर इधर आएगा और यहां से एक परपेंडिकुलर, सॉरी पैरेलल, है ना, पैरेलल ये इधर से एक इधर आएगा. मतलब AC का पैरेलल ये हो गया PR, और क्या कहते हैं AP का पैरेलल ये हो जाएगा CR. ये दोनों यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो उनके बीच में there is a formation of AR which is nothing but the resultant force which has been calculated by using the parallelogram law of vector addition. तो ये R यहाँ पे आएगा, right? So the अब यहाँ पे टेंजेंट कैसी आएगी फिर? तो टेंजेंट विल बी exactly on the free surface. This is quite difficult exactly getting this 90 degree, but okay, the silver and water pair will form a 90 degree angle, right? So sorry, yes, the angle of contact equals to 90 degree. So the angle made by tangent with the solid inside the liquid is what? 45 plus 45, this is 90 degree, right? So therefore theta is equal to 90 degree, right? And getting 90 degree is the condition having that when the angle of contact theta equals to 90 degree if the adhesive force, what is adhesive force, is AP, is equal to AC by √2. हाउ दिस √2 इज देयर, है ना, यहाँ पे ये एंगल 45 डिग्री बन रहा है, तो हाइपोटेनियस इज इक्वल टू, हाइपोटेनियस का एंगल जो है वो रिजल्टेंट के साथ 45 डिग्री पे है, तो cos ऑफ 45 इज 1/√2. you can consider sine of 45 as well, that is 1 by root 2. तो AP अगर AC by root 2 है तो एंगल थीटा ये 90 डिग्री रहेगा, ठीक है। फर्स्ट कंडीशन, ठीक है। सेकेंड कंडीशन, इफ AP is greater than AC by root 2, तो थीटा ये अगर अडहेसिव फोर्स ग्रेटर देन AC बाय रूट 2 है तो थीटा इज लेस देन 90 डिग्री, मतलब थीटा इज एक्यूट एंगल, है ना, acute angle of contact it will be. And if third is, if AP, that is adhesive force, is less than this AC by root 2, then theta is greater than 90 degree, that means it is obtuse angle. So this is what the condition of convexity as well as concavity, right? ये 90 डिग्री के लिए, ये थीटा लेस देन 90 डिग्री के लिए, थीटा ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री मतलब एक्यूट एंगल ऑफ कांटेक्ट के लिए ये कंडीशन, ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल ऑफ कांटेक्ट के लिए ये कंडीशन. So this is what the condition of convexity as well as concavity, right? वीडियो को लाइक करते चलो, शेयर करते चलो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते चलो अगर आपको कंसेप्ट समझ में आ रहे तो, राइट? थैंक यू.